Hey guys, welcome back. It's Luigi the Italian cooking guy, and today we are cooking potatoes with asparagus. I'm going to call it the nice little risotto. Okay, so these are just your basic tater tots. Okay, we got them in the freezer here somewhere. Okay, tater tots. Just make those. Actually, we used ones that have a little bit of onion in them already. Okay, defrost them, thaw them out, whatever. Here they are. Mash them up a little bit. While you're mashing all this up, I should have been having this cook here first. Yeah, it's going well. Yeah. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well, staying safe, staying healthy. And this is all mixed up here. Okay, so I'm going to come over to these asparagus, and I want to get these going. But first, I'm going to turn the oven on. All right, we're going to put it on high just until it pops up and heats up for us. So on here, it says put about a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. That's about a tablespoon. Okay, I don't really measure, guys. I go by eye. But watch out, I don't stick it out. I only have one. So you're going to cut up the asparagus, wash it thoroughly. I don't care if it says it's already washed. Wash it, dry it, so when the oil's hot, you throw it in there. The water's going to get in there, pop and blow up all over the place. The next thing you know, you got to go to the hospital. All right, cut these into about 1.5 inch, 2 inch pieces. I already cut the ends off, pre-washed them, let them dry, put them in the colander, the old squalla bast. Okay, put them in there, and tomorrow your pee-pee will smell weird, and that's about all what you have to do with the asparagus. I'm so OCD, I want to rinse them off again, but I can't because they'll all splash like crazy. Okay, so we're gonna put these in here. We're gonna get these sauteing. Okay, put them in, throw them in. What do? We throw them in. We throw them in. All right. So I got those over there cooking. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt because we need a little bit of salt for the flavor, right? So it says just a little bit of a sprinkle here, but I say I like salt. So we throw the salt in, a little bit of cracked pepper. We'll put that in there. I think that's enough cracked pepper. All right, I'm gonna take this back down so we don't get all burnt up here. You guys like that little flip of the wrist? Shut your mouths, no comments. Okay, you guys aren't funny. I'm not amused. Okay, so this is the. We're gonna get back over here to mushing up the tater tots with the onion in it, and basically what's gonna happen here is we're gonna let these saute until they get soft because asparagus are firm, they're hard, they're stringy. The bigger they are, the harder, and you know what I'm talking about. Okay. The harder they are and the stringier they are. So if you got your asparagus are a little bit on the bigger side, you may want to cut them a little shorter. So the asparagus have been cooking, sauteing. They've been burning. No, they haven't. All right. So now, guys, these are softening up a bit. Okay, but we're going to bake them in the oven as well. So we're going to bake them for about a half an hour. We're going to bake them for like a half an hour. We're going to throw them in the oven. We're going to throw them in. Okay. We're going to throw those in the oven when the time is right, okay? But for now, I'm gonna throw a little bit of butter in there. Now, you want to use about that's more than a tape. That's like 3 tablespoons. Throw it in, okay? Throw it in. You know why? Because I gotta tell you, I didn't just let these abarans, potatoes here. Don't do that. No, I don't do weird stuff. I don't care if it's just cooked that way or whatever. I don't care. It's going. I don't think it looks nice. See you later. I'm not eating it. So take the potatoes. But the thing is, if you thaw these out in the microwave, they will dry out. So the microwave pulls moisture out, obviously. For you rocket scientists that don't realize that. So you need the liquid, okay? So you need some liquid with the butter. I'm probably gonna have to put a little bit more olive oil in here. But so let's get these in there, saute them up. How much is this? I have no idea. It's looks to be about 2 cups. Looks to be about 2 cups of potatoes. Okay, the potatoes. You take the potatoes, you throw the potatoes in. And I'm not even drunk or nothing. Could you imagine? Oh, you guys have no idea. One time, you know, when all this stuff is over, this lockdown stuff will go out. You guys really want to freaking laugh? Come out with me one night. Huh? Watch that video. That'll be, forget it. That'll be a pretty interesting video. So we're going to saute this. I'm going to hop this back up to high. Okay. Okay, so guys, now you see how the potatoes browned up a little bit, the asparagus browned up. Okay. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take this and we're going to put it in this non-stick bake pan. If you don't have a non-stick bake pan, you could use a regular pan. And spray it or put some butter on it or whatever. So now what it says over here, what we want to do, it says, what I say, pack it down nice. Okay, pack it down a little bit. So we're going to flatten this out here and we're going to put this in the oven and we are going to bake this for 20 minutes, okay? And then we're going to pull it out and we're going to throw something else on there to make it bind. Now, my thing is you could also, when it's in there, or I'm sorry, not when it's in the fry pan, when it's in here, you could also put an egg in there, beat the egg, make it a little liquefy it, puts a little bit of milk in there, water, whatever. Drills the lid on so it congeals when it cooks, so it binds everything together, okay? But since a friend of mine over here doesn't like eggs except in her cake, we can't put eggs in here, but whatever. So 375, oven is up to temperature. I need to take a little swig of this. That's the one. Okay. I'm going to need another refill with the Tito's. So, no, I'm just kidding. We're going to put this in here and not cover it because we want it to brown. I'll throw it in right on the top rack there. 375, 20 minutes. We'll come back, pull it out. We'll put our little extra secret recipe. What's the matter with you? Our extra little secret ingredient on there that will make everyone absolutely love it. Okay? We're going to take this out of here. Looks great. I don't think I could put that on the counter. I got yelled at last time. I know it's granite, but if it cracks, I'll probably be in a lot of trouble. You know, I'll get yelled at. And, well, you think it's brand new. So, okay. So, look at it. It came up, you know, golden brown. Okay, it's not crispy, but you don't want it crispy because you don't want to eat a pile of sawdust. Okay? And these, look at that. Huh? Nice, just tender enough. Just tender enough, guys. So, let me wash my hands. I know I just washed them, but I just touched that bag of cheese, so you know I gotta wash them again. So yeah, tell me about it. I've been living with it for 48 years, right? 48 years, something like that. But in any event, at least the hands are clean, right? So put your hand in there. Gotta save some for my beautiful bride. You know, I don't want to use it all. Get her mad at me. Got to keep her happy, and this right here keeps her very, very happy. So we're just going to sprinkle it on there. Actually, let me check that. We're going to pour it on there because my wife's a rat. No, just kidding. Just kidding. We're going to put it on. Just get it all, don't hang on the side there, okay? If you want to cover the whole bottom, or the top rather, I think that martini went to my head. You ain't kidding with your freaking head. Put it on, okay? Nice. Get it off the side so when you go to wash it, it doesn't get all charred onto the side of the pan. Okay, this is still hot. It's hot! But you know what? I don't care. It's like it's going to burn me. Come on. We're going to throw it right in the oven. Okay? We're going to put it in there for probably about a few more minutes because it's on 375, but it's on bake. It's not on broil. I'm not going to switch it over to broil. Let it bake. This way here, it'll cook a little more. and let it settle in nice and slow. You don't want to rush the process. Ah, look at that. It smells freaking beautiful. Mmm. That smells delicious. So we're going to take this, make a little slice down there. It smells really, really good in spite of, I mean, it's just a few simple ingredients. And by the way, we'll have the ingredients at the end of the video. You can get the ingredients will be there listed, okay? Okay. So, desperate times call for desperate measures, so we got to keep it simple. And you guys are probably going to really enjoy when I burn my mouth. So, look at that. Oh, what the hell was that? I just thought, oh. It smells good, huh? My little cheesy wife got a whiff of the cheese, and she goes, oh. Look at this. Look. Nice little golden brown. Cheese browned right up there. Okay. No need to really put too much salt, especially, you know, do it to taste. If you're going to put cheese on it, cheese already has salt in it. This is really hot. It's 375 degrees. Do I really want to throw it in my mouth? Yeah, I do. Ooh, hold on. Mmm. Mmm. It kind of all comes together. Almost. Not quite. Almost like a little quiche, kind of like a quiche. But the manly kind of quiche, not the... Oh, that's a delicious quiche. No, the potato quiche. So, I may have to rename this. But look, you see how it turns nice and golden brown on the bottom of the pan? Cheese. I gotta have another bite, guys. I gotta tell you, this is really good. And I don't know if you guys noticed, my sidekick just walked in the room. But he's waiting for some. But guess what, Rock? You don't need people food. Not really, right? No. But you're my partner anyway. So guys, this is Luigi, the Italian cooking guy, coming at you. We'll have the ingredients at the end of the video. Stay happy, stay healthy, and stay fat. What the hell, why not, right? Salute, my paisans. Stay well. All right. I haven't stopped eating since you left. Listen, if you guys like my craziness and my recipes, subscribe to my page and tell your friends, share it with them, and tell them to subscribe. We got a lot more recipes coming at you soon. In fact, we're gonna do another video tomorrow, actually. And maybe if you're lucky, I'll share that cheesecake one with you. All right? We'll see you soon, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Take care.